Dogecoin, Doge, certainly is a mineable coin that sort of is presently exchanged at $0.101944 per unit, with the market capitalization of $14,492,322,552, that by and large makes it a mid-position digital money, which especially is genuinely huge. Computerized resources like Dogecoin truly have currently turned into the point of convergence of consideration for the most part retail financial backers and examiners. Yet additionally for genuinely enormous institutional financial backers who basically see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a truly successful especially support against expansion that takes an exceptionally weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which for the most part is genuinely critical. In this way, having essentially a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto for the most part is basically an unquestionable requirement for any dealer and financial backer who truly needs to sort of develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, or so they by and large thought. However, with it really comes the need to intently follow the advancements on the expressed market to appreciate what is going on and all things considered, have some feeling representing things to come, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. This Dogecoin cost expectation model was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, by and large track down the best coins or tokens to generally put resources into and essentially keep the value been developing, or so they really thought. However, prior to digging into the inside and out Dogecoin examination and cost expectation, we might want to in every way that really matters help you to remember the truly fundamental standards of digital currency exchanging and venture, exhibiting that consequently having it especially the most on a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto truly is basically an unquestionable necessity for any dealer and financial backer who generally needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking basically. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its kind of current standings, as well as the mid-term and kind of long-haul cost expectation that certainly depends on the readings of our very restrictive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, in an unobtrusive way. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin truly remains at $0.101944, and this extremely specific computerized resource truly stands firm on the ninth footing in the worldwide digital money positioning, or so they in a real sense thought. For sort of your data, the kind of positioning of each and every cryptographic money for the most part is vigorously dependent on its really current market capitalization and cost, and fundamentally is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most cutting-edge data on the resource being referred to. By and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Likewise, to especially get a sort of better handle of the market circumstance and really figure out the truly broad course of the pattern, or to enroll its non-attendance, it's likewise critical to generally break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, which certainly is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on December 8, the cost of Dogecoin for the most part remained at $0.095923 at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which comprises a 5.02% distinction when contrasted with the really current cost. 7 days prior, on December 2, the Dogecoin market all things considered remained at $0.083865 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. Which in a real sense is very critical. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0% corresponding to its current standing. A month prior, on November 9, Dogecoin generally was estimated at $0.075503, which for the most part harmonized with our cost expectation for that in every practical sense, specific period, which in a real sense is very critical. Contrasted with the current place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 35.02% cost move, genuinely further appearance how yesterday, on December 8, the cost of Dogecoin especially remained at $0.095923 at the end of the truly everyday exchanging meeting, which comprises a 5.02% distinction when contrasted with the very current cost, 7 days prior, on December 2. The Dogecoin market really remained at $0.083865 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in an unobtrusive manner. At the point when it really comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves kind of more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance, in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its most certainly in general prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in a genuinely huge manner. Numerous digital money dealers view market capitalization as a kind of key marker to especially be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices. It is determined by duplicating the sort of absolute number of coins that truly are right now available for use, coursing supply, by the very current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by and by especially remains at $0.101944, exhibiting how for truly your data. The truly positioning of each and every cryptographic money basically is vigorously dependent on its truly current market capitalization and cost, and basically is determined by increasing these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to. Considering that recipe, we basically have determined the kind of current market capitalization of Dogecoin to essentially be at $14,492,322,552. Which legitimizes its place as the ninth coin among those really present on the cryptographic money market, which generally is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on December 8, the market capitalization of Dogecoin especially remained at $13,634,530,710. Keep going week. On December 2, the in every practical sense, aggregate sum of especially capital committed to Dogecoin generally was laid out at $11,913,923,197. The information from a month prior, enrolled on November 9. For the most part shows that Dogecoin really had a market capitalization of $10,702,653,855. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that most certainly have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made, and really are either coursing available or secured in designers or alternately holders' sort of chilly wallets, in an unpretentious manner. The very complete stock likewise considers any coins that have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate, which is genuinely huge. It can explicitly measure up to the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that explicitly is public on the securities exchange in a truly significant manner. The all-out supply of Dogecoin right now really remains at 142,160,086,384 Doge. As currently made sense of, the circling supply is the most usually involved sort of measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to in a genuinely large manner. It relates with the in every practical sense, best guess of the general number of coins that by and large are public on cryptographic money trades and add to their liquidity, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Their volume doesn't for the most part incorporate the coins that sort of are vested, marked in essentially brilliant agreements, secured in advanced wallets, or truly put unavailable for general use, which sort of is genuinely huge. The coursing supply is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the securities exchange, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. At the present time, the coursing supply of Dogecoin truly is assessed at 142,160,086,384 Doge in an exceptionally significant manner. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market basically added up to $176,125,045 in a very significant manner. Yesterday,